Larry in Santa Clarita, California writes to me, Paul, I don't get the streamer thing. Don't worry. Larry, you know, I got to tell you, there's a whole bunch of people that don't get the streamer thing. So we'll go through it with you. If I go directly into a PS Audio Direct Stream DAC MK2 or a similar DAC with a USB from my PC for Tidal Music using their desktop app, which I've been doing with a MyTech something or other, am I losing any sound quality without a streamer? Do I need a streamer? Thank you. Well, Larry, you already have a streamer, okay? So we're just going to have to get our terminology straight here. Streaming is how we use an interface, whether it's on your computer screen and your mouse, whether it's on an iPad, whether it's on an iPhone, an Android, where you run through a virtual library. And by that I mean you're scrolling on your phone, you're on your computer, and you're scrolling through a representation of a library where we have all these Beatles songs and we have all the stuff that we want to hear, and we choose one, okay? That part is called the controller. Whether it's your phone, an iPad, or your computer, that part is the controller, and it displays everything that is available to you, kind of like on your television when you want to watch a movie on demand. That too is a library, right? You got your remote control and you're streaming through your video library, and you click a button. All right, that's the controller. Now we have a server somewhere, a big computer storage system that's located Lord knows where. Could be anywhere in the world. And all those movies, all that music is stored in a database on a computer. It's just a giant hard drive. And your controller says, I want to hear this track. Well, that track has like a phone number. Okay, let's just call it a phone number. So I hit, the Beatles' White Album. Well, the Beatles' White Album has its own ID number. It's a long number, but let's just call it a phone number. That calls up to where it is. Okay, it's got an area code, so I know what server it is. It's got an ID number. I know exactly where that file is located. And it makes a connection. Hey, are you available? Yep, I'm available. I'm ready to go. Then it ties it into a streamer. Here's our streamer. This is the AirLens. Okay, this box is the device that it's going to connect up to. On the back is an Ethernet connection, or you can go with Wi-Fi on the AirLens, and it connects that file over the internet into this box. Or, in your case, because you already have a streamer, it's simply connecting to your computer. It's that simple. Your streamer is built into your computer. Once those two are connected, it does all of its processing magic, and yours comes out of USB. Now, USB is probably the worst way to connect up your streamer to your DAC, because USB is a two-way communication. It's noisy. It's the worst thing that you can do, but it's not terrible. I mean, it can sound great, but it's not the best way to go. So a separate streamer, if you want to get fancy schmancy like I do, because you really care about how the music sounds, then you get an AirLens. You get a streamer that has not USB in or out, but has just the internet connection that connects up to that distant server, and then the output comes out after it's all processed and it's all the things that we do to it, the digital lens where we reclock the signal, we get rid of all the jitter, we get rid of all the noise, which you're not doing inside of your computer. That comes out clean as a whistle into your DAC, and your DAC is a happy camper and it sounds really good. In your case, as your streamer is your computer, if you're going to stay with that and you don't want to go to an AirLens, then what you need to do is get at a minimum a reclocking or even a USB hub, anything that can take that USB signal, do its processing, and spit out a cleaner signal into your DAC. So, okay, that's your streamer. Hope that helps. Thanks.